All right, we all know the great work Auto Glass Professionals does when it comes to fixing windshields, and guess what? Today, I'm actually going to be part of the team. We're going to fix this windshield over here. It's going to be like Kirk and Perk. Just got to get some things set up here. Ready to go through my checklist. Man, we are the dream team. I'll be right over. I mean, these guys are the best, and now I'm part of the team. Almost ready, Kirk. Gosh, this is gonna be great. I'll be right there, Kirk. All right, Kirk, I am ready.
Well, I'm all finished.
We crushed that. One call does it all at Auto Glass Professionals. Tell them Perk sent you.